Hello everyone, this is a very special video. I have been asked so many times that what is it about breath work that I begin all my sessions or all my workshops with breath work. Well, to explain to you, I would like to share with you certain facts. Um, if you were to lay out all the arteries, capillaries, veins, the entire circulatory system and make it into a string, into a rope, can you beat it that we will be able to circle the entire earth 2.5 times? The second beautiful revelation that I can help you feel or acknowledge is that the alveoli, which is the functional unit of our lungs, where the gaseous exchange happens between carbon dioxide and oxygen, if you kind of lay the entire alveoli flat, it would cover nearly half the Olympic size tennis court. Yes, that's a fact. Well, the oxygen that is carried by the cells comes to the lungs, and here is where the gaseous exchange takes. That is, the cells kind of release the carbon dioxide and oxygen is absorbed, and then the cells carry this oxygen to our entire body, different parts of the body. Now here is what happens. Our bodies are designed to only keep what is life sustainable and to throw out or release what is harmful for it. And when we are deep breathing, we are actually allowing our bodies or assisting our bodies to release the redundant, inflexible, distressing, painful thoughts, memories, and experiences. We all know that the emotions that are generated within us, the thoughts that are there, they may be, they can be of both the categories, some happy and some painful. And all the painful thoughts and emotions, they sort of go and settle somewhere in our organs. And if we, end up thinking or feeling about them again and again, we create patterns, then we might end up suffering from some disease. Yeah. So, when we do breath work, we are voluntarily involved, consciously involved in our deepest of cleansing. We are assisting ourselves, our physical bodies, in washing away all the emotional, physical, and the energetic debris or the waste. Yeah. And interestingly, what happens is when we are very consciously deep breathing, we are actually telling ourselves, see, I am right here with you. We are, I'm ready to go along the flow. I'm ready to work with the energetic wisdom that I already possess. That's precisely why deep breathing is very, very important. At the same time, what happens is whenever we focus on our breath, whenever we pay our attention to our breath, we are forcefully brought into the now, into the present moment. Definitely our minds may waver, we might have different thoughts, but then once again, in some time, in a few seconds, we are again reminded that I was paying attention to my breath work, and we come back to our breath work. We start appreciating the here and now much more. What I would request you is to do deep breathing at least 4 to 5 times in a day. Better still, you can set your alarm for 2 hours. Every 2 hours, when the alarm goes on, you might take a small break and do 10 deep breaths, and take 10 deep breaths. By the end of the day, I'm sure you're going to feel much more energetic, much more full of life, so that you can indulge in your passions, you can indulge in your hobbies, you might have more energy and a lot more ideas to play with your family, spend time with your children, and a lot more things. There is a breathing technique that I have shared in my previous video. You might just go through that, and if you want to start and you don't have any idea, you can look up that video and start doing that breathing exercise. Or as I said, simply indulge in breathing deeply, very, very consciously, being fully attentive to your inhalation and exhalation. Do not allow COVID or any other fear to overpower you. Stay safe, stay indoors, and yes, stay smart.